Hello, I'm Gorka. I'm going to present some of my favorite photos. This is my friend Ellis. He has got brown eyes and brown eyes. He is really and funny. This photo we are playing in an aquatic park. This is my sister Alba. She has got brown eyes and brown eyes. She is really and very clever. In this photo, he has a strong teeth.
We're shooting photos.
This is my dad. He is Harry. He has brown eyes and brown eyes. He is in this photo. My dad is Daisy. This is my group of friends. We are visiting the city of Bilbao. They are very clever. This is my friend. They are Aymar, Lucas, David, Ruben, and me. They are very funny, and all of them are very sweet
Kind.
This was all. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you like it.